Hello student, this is Hemant Raikwar, teacher of Mount Itra Z School, Jhansi. In today's lecture video, we are going to start a new chapter, that is Electoral Politics, chapter 3, lecture 1. Why election? Assembly election in Haryana. This is the introduction part. Assembly elections in Haryana. Haryana State Assembly election in 1987. Over here, Congress was the ruling party and Chaudhry Devi Lal was on the opposition party. Our party name is Haryana Sangharsh Samiti. Their agenda was Nyay Yudh. Devi Lal was chosen as CM. When there was election conducted, people vote for him and chosen him as a CM. Lokdal and its partners won with 76 seats out of 90. They promised to waive the loan of farmers. मतलब उन्होंने एक प्रॉमिस किया कि जो भी फार्मर्स के ऊपर जितना भी लोन है वो उनको माफ़ कर देंगे. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न from this, just see why do we need election. Imagine a democracy without election. It sounds something missing. If you say our maths without formula, कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा ना. In the same manner, we can't say a democracy without a election. Recall last topic of chapter 2, representative democracy, that is the direct democracy. Can there be another way to select our representatives? Yes, we can select them by their age, by experience. क्या ये सही होगा? लेकिन we can choose a person by age or experience, but can we say our experienced person can do the things which we need, और द एज पर्सन, मतलब जो सबसे ज़्यादा एज है जिस पर्सन की, वो हमारे लिए काम अच्छे से कर सकें. यू कांट से दैट दे कैन डू द बेटर वर्क फॉर अस. वुड द सिस्टम बी कॉल्ड अ डेमोक्रेटिक? एंड मैनी सच क्वेश्चंस अराइजेस. तो क्या हम इस सिस्टम को फिर डेमोक्रेटिक बोल पाएंगे? नहीं. Because over here we are choosing a person because of their age or experience, we are not voting them, so we can't say that this is the democratic. So the solution of this is a election. So voter can make many choices. They can choose who will make laws for them. They can choose who will form the government and take major decisions. They can choose the party whose policies will guide the government and law making. Now, what makes an election democratic? Election, both democratic countries and non-democratic countries. But what makes an election democracy or undemocratic? Now, what is democratic election? Ability to choose. We have the ability to choose a person, one vote, one value. Second, there should be something to choose from, free election and choice to the voters. Third, choice should be offered at a regular interval, regular election. Regular elections means हर 5 साल बाद आपको elections मिलेंगे और हम लोग चाहेंगे तो दूसरा किसी को और को भी जिता सकते हैं. फोर्थ, कैंडिडेट प्रेफर्ड बाय द पीपल शुड गेट इलेक्टेड. फिफ्थ, इलेक्शंस फ्री एंड फेयर मैनर. Yes, it is good to have a political competition. Now the competition arises over here. Election, political competition, that it have some demerits. It have some merits also and demerits also. Now we will discuss. It creates a sense of disunity, factionalism, मतलब लोगों में एक दूसरे में लड़ाइयाँ होने लगती हैं। पार्टीज लेवल एलिगेशंस यूज डर्टी ट्रिक्स, एक दूसरे के ऊपर एलिगेशंस लगाना। नो लॉन्ग टर्म पॉलिसीज कैन बी फॉर्मुलेटेड बिकॉज वी आर चूजिंग अ पर्सन फॉर 5 years, सो रेगुलर बेसिस पे अगर पर्सन इज चेंजिंग, सो नो लॉन्ग टर्म पॉलिसीज कैन बी फॉर्मुलेटेड, ज़्यादा दिनों तक पॉलिसीज नहीं चल पाती हैं। गुड पीपल हु मे विश टू सर्व द कंट्री डू नॉट एंटर दिस अरेना। Whether political leader not aware of it, motivation of political leader to work. It gives a motivation also for the political leaders also. Now what is the competition? Leaders are required to work hard to remain in power or to gain it. अगर उनको फिर से जीतना है तो अच्छा काम करना पड़ेगा और they have to work hard. It is a reward for serving and at the same time punishment for not performing the duty. If you will do the work, good work, आप फिर से इलेक्शन जीत सकते हैं और नहीं करेंगे तो आप इलेक्शंस हार भी सकते हैं। व्हाट इज़ आवर सिस्टम ऑफ इलेक्शन? लोकसभा एंड विधानसभा। इन लोकसभा वी चूज़ फॉर द PM and in विधानसभा वी चूज़ फॉर द CM. So don't get confused with the words Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. General elections and by-election. So what is the meaning of बाई इलेक्शन? इट इज़ अ री इलेक्शन। मान लीजिए जो इलेक्शन में कैंडिडेट खड़ा हुआ है वो उसके ही डाइड और ही लेफ्ट द सीट बिकॉज ऑफ सम प्रॉब्लम, सो अ री इलेक्शन कैन बी कंडक्टेड। इलेक्ट्रल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज, तो इनके इलेक्शंस करवाता कौन है? एरिया बेस्ड सिस्टम ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स, वोटर्स लिविंग इन दैट एरिया इलेक्ट्स वन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स। देयर आर 543 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज। मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, that is the Lok Sabha, is 543 plus 2 Anglo-Indian, who were Anglo-Indian who having a dual citizenship, foreign citizenship and the Indian citizenship also. It can be appointed by the president. Similarly, in case of state, each state has a specific number of constituencies. Elected leaders are known as MLA. Thank you student, hope you all enjoyed the video.